August 8th, 1918. Dear Father and Mother, I am well and near the front. I am the only one of the old company from Paris Island in this regiment, so I feel quite alone. I am now joined with the famous old Marines who started this drive against the Germans. I will have to stop as we marched most of last night and may march tonight, so I need some sleep. With love, your son, Kilmer.
The story of Marine Pvt. Kilmer Smith Bagley can be found in his correspondence home, and it was compiled by his mother in Letters of a Marine.
November 28th, 1918. I have been over the top 4 times, at St. Mihiel, Champagne, Filoc, the Argonne Forest, and the Moose. I hope the flu hasn't hit you people as hard as it has the Army. Love to all, your son, Kilmer.
He sent these letters home, and his parents put them together into the booklet.
I looked on the coffee table and seen this book. When I picked this book up, I couldn't put it down.
December 24th, 1918. Across the Rhine. Dear Father and Mother, I got my usual cold this year and am now in bed in a field hospital, but feeling pretty good. The doctor calls it laryngitis because I can't talk.
The cough was really the mustard gas that the Germans used on them during the war.
As a result of being gassed, he did have a heart attack at the age of 48 and passed away.
But Private Bagley made a difference. At Champagne, he destroyed 2 German machine gun nests and was awarded the esteemed Croix de Guerre. Today, Private Kilmer Smith Bagley's story is preserved. It's on display at the Leatherneck Club Museum in the Las Vegas Valley's most extensive public collection of artifacts from Marines in all wars. Bagley's doughboy service photo and letters from a Marine are in a special place at the club's entrance, along with gas masks, uniforms, weapons, photographs, and other World War I memorabilia. Bagley's items were donated as a tribute to his service from his granddaughter, Susan Delaney, a Navy veteran, and her husband, Bill Delaney, who, like Kilmer Bagley, served in the 5th Regiment, 2nd Marines.